So today I will show you a cute little plugin that I have created. So at times what we do is that we query like most of the chat providers. So for example, Claude Code, ChatGPT and so on for some question. And at times the answers of these models vary because they have distinct personalities, strengths and weaknesses, right? So what we would like to do is to have a debate between these models and get at a conclusion, right? Whenever we are asking questions. So how this plugin helps is if you have like multiple tabs of different model providers open, then what this and we ask a question in this plugin, then what it will do is it will route the question to different models and then route the answers back, cross route the answers back, so that each model gets to critique the response of the other model, right? And then we have in the settings we can set which is the final model to which the answers are routed, which kind of finally synthesizes the answers, right? So that's how it works. You can see that in the settings there are like which providers are there. So currently you can use ChatGPT, Claude and Gemini. So these three providers. By default there are two rounds which happen. So one initial response, then a critique round where model review each other's answer, and then you have different tasks, right? And then you can also configure that for each task type which should be the final synthesis model. So for example, here I have configured that for research the final answer should be synthesized by Claude, right? So this is how it works. Once you open this extension, right? So it will automatically detect which providers are available, which based on the tabs which you have open. So it detects that ChatGPT is enabled, Claude is enabled, but Gemini is not available. So it will skip routing the answers to and queries to Gemini. So let's see it in action. Let me ask one question. And let me start the loop. So it will show you the status, like it's processing round one of the two iterations that we configured it for. So we can see that it has like completed some of the rounds and it's still running. Okay, so we can see that the synthesis for final answer has started. And here we go, we get the final answer which is synthesized by Claude. So it lists the key disagreement between the models and gives a final definitive answer. So it turns out that according to Claude, the best size model is Quen 3.59 billion. Thank you if you like this plugin.